Hello, content creators, educators, and beginners. Welcome to One Tech Nation. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to get started with Short AI and how to create short, engaging videos quickly and efficiently. Whether you're a teacher, a social creator, or someone who wants to repurpose long-form content into short clips, this tutorial is for you. We'll go step by step. I'll highlight key takeaways, common mistakes to avoid, and by the end, you'll feel confident using Short AI for your own short-form videos. Why use Short AI? First, let's talk about why you might choose Short AI. In today's world of YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels, speed and efficiency matter. Short AI helps you automate parts of the video creation process: script generation, subtitles, editing, faceless video features, and more. It can even turn long-form videos into multiple shorts and supports over 32 languages. So if you're an educator who creates lectures or a creator who wants to repurpose longer content into short, engaging clips, this is a big win. Here are the key takeaways. Efficiency, saving time on scripting and editing. Multi-platform readiness, Shorts, TikTok, Reels. Faceless video capabilities, great if you don't want to always be on camera. Mistakes you should avoid. Don't rely 100% on automation. AI is a tool, not a replacement. Don't ignore the hook. Short videos still need a strong start. And don't use default templates without customizing them. Your content will look generic. Signing up and dashboard overview. Now, let's jump in. Let's head into the platform. Go to short.ai, click Sign Up, choose your plan, and confirm your email. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. Here you'll see tools like AI Clip Maker, Faceless Video, Social Media Scheduler, and Script Generator. Take a moment to explore the sections so you know where everything is. Key takeaways. Understand the main modules before starting your project. Know the difference between free and paid access. Remember where your projects appear in the dashboard. Common mistakes to avoid. Skipping the settings or brand profile section. Jumping into video creation without exploring the features. Creating your first short video. Okay, now to the heart of the tutorial. Here's how you do it step by step. Choose your workflow. If you have a longer video, use AI Clip Maker. If you're starting from scratch, choose Generate Script to Video. Enter your idea, for example, 5 must-have cybersecurity tools. Choose your audience, pick the length and style, and Short AI will generate a script. Review and customize the script. Strengthen your hook, tweak the wording, and adjust scene breaks. Next, generate the video. Choose a vertical template, upload your media or let Short AI use stock visuals, add your voiceover or use the built-in voice, turn on subtitles, and click Generate. After the video is ready, review it. Fix timing, subtitle placement, and branding. Then export or schedule your post using Short AI's scheduler. Key takeaways. The hook is vital. Use vertical format for shorts and reels. Readable subtitles boost engagement. Always review the auto-generated video. Common mistakes. Using horizontal orientation. Not adjusting the script to match your style. Tiny subtitles that are hard to read on mobile. Forgetting branding. Repurposing longer content into multiple shorts. If you already make long-form content, you can easily turn one video into many short clips using the AI Clip Maker. Here's how to repurpose content smartly. Upload your long video or paste the URL. Choose the option to generate multiple clips. Short AI can turn one long video into 10 or more shorts in a single click. Review the extracted clips, adjust start and end points, add captions, and place your branding. Then, export or schedule the individual shorts. Key takeaways. You get maximum value from existing content. Each short should stand alone with its own hook, and editing each auto-generated clip is important. Mistakes? posting raw clips without refinement, not adding unique captions or branding, uploading just one clip instead of scheduling multiple, scheduling and publishing your videos. Once your videos are ready, the next step is publishing. Let's look at scheduling. Open the scheduling module and select your platforms: YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, LinkedIn, Pinterest. Choose your publishing time, ideally when your audience is most active. Add your title, description, and hashtags. Review and confirm your schedule, and Short AI will publish for you automatically. Key takeaways: scheduling saves time and ensures consistency. Use platform-specific metadata. Batch produce and schedule for stress-free posting. Common mistakes: posting randomly without timing strategy. Using identical metadata on all platforms. Ignoring analytics after publishing. Monitor performance and optimize. To grow, you must track performance and optimize your workflow. Here's how to stay on top of performance. Monitor metrics like views, watch time, engagement, and retention. Look for patterns. Which hooks worked best? What length performed better? Which subtitles were easier to read? Refine your next batch. Improve your hook, shorten intros, adjust subtitles, and experiment with branding. Repeat. Consistent iteration makes you better. Key takeaways: don't set it and forget it. Retention is often more important than views. Small creative changes can lead to big improvements. Mistakes: posting without evaluating results. Changing too many things at once. Ignoring audience feedback. Pro tips and best practices. Before we wrap up, here are some pro tips. Start with a strong hook in the first 2 to 3 seconds. Keep shorts between 15 and 60 seconds. Use clear, readable subtitles since many people watch without sound. Brand your videos subtly but consistently. Customize templates to your niche. Use repurposing tools to save time. Batch produce and schedule content. Track only the most important metrics. And remember, AI helps, but your creativity brings the magic. Conclusion. So there you have it, a complete walkthrough of how to get started with Short AI. If you're a beginner, an educator, or a creator who wants to streamline your video workflow, this tool can give you a huge advantage. Now, it's your turn. Click the link in the description to start using Short AI today. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content creation and tech tips, and comment below telling me what kind of short you're going to make. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.